Uncontested divorce in Long Beach, how it works. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are on the same page about your divorce and live in Long Beach, an uncontested divorce is the fastest and most stress-free way to move forward. But how does it actually work? Let me walk you through it. An uncontested divorce means both parties agree on all major issues like property division, debt support, and if applicable, child custody. There are no courtroom battles, no hearings, and no need to involve attorneys if you don't want to. In Long Beach, your case will be processed through Los Angeles County, which uses electronic filing, e-filing. This makes things faster, but only if everything is done correctly from the start. We prepare and file the initial petition with the court. Your spouse either signs a notice of acknowledgement and receipt, or we arrange formal service. Both parties complete and exchange financial disclosures. We draft a comprehensive settlement agreement outlining your terms. We prepare and file the final judgment package for court approval. We recently helped a Long Beach couple who wanted their divorce done quickly and quietly. We filed and served their case the same day, completed disclosures within a week, and had their judgment submitted the following Monday. The court approved it in just under 2 weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, uncontested divorces across California, including Long Beach. We know the local court process, and our flat fee service covers everything from start to finish, without surprises, delays, or court appearances. If you and your spouse are in agreement and want to complete your divorce the easy way, visit divorce661.com and schedule a free consultation. We'll walk you through the process, handle all the paperwork, and make sure your uncontested divorce goes as smoothly and quickly as possible.